Hey, what's good, guys? So today's video is all about beginners who want to turn their small investment into something a little bit bigger. So today we've got 86 cents and we're just going to be raising it and see how far we can get with this. So right here we are on volatility 75 1 second. So as we all know, the first thing that we do is to draw our trend lines just so we have an idea of what the market is trying to do. So right there, I've drawn my diagonal resisting trend line and my diagonal supporting trend line. And I've also placed a sell on volatility 75 1 second. Why did I sell? Because I can see that the market still needs to push down towards that support level, because that's where we had the move to the upside on the left side. So it still needs to go there to give us like a huge retest and then further push to the upper part of the market. So yeah, this is where we are. Let's just see how this goes. So there we are, guys. As you can see, the market has pushed to the downside. We are just close to hitting our TP, but then yeah, this is a major win for us. We've managed to make a bit of profit there, $3. Let's just close and then look for other trading opportunities. So yeah, there we go. We've closed at around $3 and $3.93. So from 86 cents, we've now made $3.93. So let's go and look for another trading opportunity elsewhere. So there we have our $3.93. Let's just see what we can trade next. So right here we are on volatility 10 index. So this is one of my favorite things to trade. So we're just going to again draw our trend lines. Let's just extend it to the top and then making sure that it touches the wicks of the candlesticks so that they can be a little bit accurate. So let's extend this one. So this is a down trend, and then we're just anticipating for the market to come back to this level here, which is the strongest level of support there. And then the market has failed to break above that level there, indicating that there is a higher chance that it will continue going to the downside. So this is a form of like a channel, yeah, but let's just see how this one plays out. So this is a clear sell. We just mark our TP level just like that, but our main aim is where the blue shadow zone is. That's where we're anticipating for the market to come and touch the level. So yeah, let's just put our TP there. Yeah, yeah, so from $3.93, let's just see how far we can take this account. So I'm also going to be leaving a guide at the end of the video. So right now I just want to draw another trend line, a trend inside of this trend that shows that the market has failed to break to the upside. So now we are expecting it to drop. I'm just going to change this, so and then create another TP level because we have a very strong level of support down there, which the market has to complete that first leg, also coming back to this level as well. So yeah, this is a clear setup. The market has failed to break to the upside, so indicating that it has failed to break two levels of resistance. So this is a clear sell. And then after some minutes, the market pushed to the downside. So this is where we are now. So the market respected our analysis. As you can see there, it just went up a little bit to play at the top, but eventually it went down. So we've accumulated a profit of $5, and our equity is now around 9.3 something there. And yeah, this is a major win for us. Consider that in the beginning of the video we only had like 86 cents. So yeah, this is how far we have pushed now. So let's just go ahead and close our earnings and then see if we can look for other trading opportunities elsewhere. So let's just secure our profits and then look for other trading opportunities. So we've managed to close at $9.12. So yeah, this is a big win. This thing is still going down, but yeah, let's just appreciate what we have here. So let's look for another trading opportunity here. So this is our $9.12. Let's just see what we can trade here. So right here we are on volatility 50 1 second. So I'm just going to again draw trend lines, which is the first thing that we do. Yeah, so I think in terms of trend lines, you just have to look for like a time frame that is very clear at that moment. So right here, the clear time frame for me is on the H4, which is where I can kind of see what is actually happening, and then it's easy for me to identify what might happen next. So as you can see there, when the market touches the trend line, it gives us a move to the upside. And for me, this is a clear indication of what might happen at that area where we at. So when the market touched this area, it gave us a move to the upside, same as when it touched here. And I'm just going to draw another another shadow zone there, and we are currently at this level. So there is a very high chance that at exactly that spot the market might repeat itself. So history might repeat itself. So I'm just looking for a move to the upper part of the market at exactly that level here. So this is a strong level of support because of our supporting trend line, our diagonal supporting trend line there. So yeah, this is how it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and just buy the market at exactly that level, because it's very clear to me what the market is trying to print. Even though we might have a little bit of retracement there and there, but it's a clear setup for me, because I know that if I draw my trend lines at the H4 time frame, there's 90% chance that the market will respect that. So right here we are almost risking the whole of this account so that we can earn a little bit. So I've put 2 positions there and we are already in a loss, but let's just see how the market plays out. So this is a buy. It's a buy, Baba. It's a buy. I saw my setup here. Bona. This is going to go up. So yeah, I'm just having fears that we might have a little bit of retracements, but yeah, it's a clear buy. So because sometimes even though you're right, you can still be wrong. So this is where we are. And then in terms of TP, you just look for the nearest area of resistance, but this is a very volatile market. So after a couple of minutes, the market has given us a little bit of profit there, but yeah, I'm just going to close this and then enter the market again, yeah, with a much grown account. So as you can see, that little movement there, is very little, but it has given us a very nice profit. So let's just see how much we have made from just that little movement there. So each position has managed to make $3 or $2.90 something. And then yeah, we still headed to the upside there. I think it's best if we can just close this, secure our profits, and then yeah, enter again with a much grown account. So I'm just going to close this and then enter the market again with a much grown account. So I'm just going to put 2 positions again, and then yeah, keep it the same, and then let's just see how far we can get with this. So yeah, in terms of TP, you just look for the nearest area of resistance, and then it will do you good. So after some hours, this is where we are. The market really pushed to the upside just a little bit. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that we are in deep blues. So and then yeah, let's just check how much we've made. So each position has managed to make $6.50 something, and then we are at an equity of $26. So this is a clear long buy, because as you can see there, we had a breakout retest indicating that the market will further push to the upper part of the markets. So as you can see inside of our trend, we have a breakout there, but it's a 15 minutes breakout. So it will just go up a little bit and then come back down. And then, yeah, so I would say wait for a higher time frame retest before you can go all out with your buys. So let's just secure our profits. We're at an equity of 26.34. So this is a major win for us. I think I'll just end the video just here, and yeah, I hope you guys have learned a thing or two. Yeah, we're now in $26. And then right here, I've made a withdrawal of $22.34, just so that we can cut a little piece from the cake. So as I've mentioned, guys, that I'm going to be leaving this guide with you. It just shows you on the left side, it will be our instruments, and then in the middle it's how much you need in order to trade that instrument, and then on the other side it's which lot size you can use. So yeah, you can just grab a pen and paper, just copy this, and then yeah, it might be of good use to you.